Hello all, my name is Ali KTS and this is the first video of the game development series using C++. So let's do this, let's start. Okay, so open up whatever browser you have and type in dev C++. This is the tool I'm going to use to code in to develop those games in. You can use any other tool you like, but the language is C++. You can also convert these games to another languages. It is using the very basics of the C++ language, so you can follow along in any language and any tool, but I would prefer if you just follow in C++ and in dev, so in future if there are complex game you can follow along easily. Just go to the first website, sourceforge.net, and when it opens up, just click on the download. This dev C++ is an open source tool, and you can code in it, you can create stuff in it, you can sell it out, nobody's going to complain. You can also develop libraries and compilers for this tool. That is why it's open source, so it can be developed. Okay, so our download is starting and it's going to take some time, so I'm going to peace out till it's complete. Welcome back guys, the tool is downloaded and ready to go, so let's click on it and say yes. Okay, it's gonna do its thing now. It's gonna unpack and then it's gonna install. So today we're just gonna install the tool. In the next video we're gonna start the coding. Okay, yes, I wanna have English, but if you guys wanna go for another language, go for it. I'll choose English. Okay, I agree. Next. Okay, I want to install in C. You can change your location to wherever you want it. Go to browse. I think you guys know that already. So it's simple installation. Next install, and it will be done. Okay. So it's gonna take some time. Okay, we're almost there. So let's take a quick break and we'll be back when it's done. Okay, I think no need, it's done. So yeah, we want to run it, finish, and run the tool. Okay, we want to go with English, yes, and yeah, we can change the language later if you want. You can just go to environment option and general, you can change the language there. I don't want it, so I will go with English. Let's go. Okay, so this is how the dev tool looks like. This is the toolbar here. We can go to file, click on new, and source file to open up a file. And I think you guys shouldn't be the beginners or the starters, so you should know all this stuff. So I'm not gonna go with any of the beginner stuff. So let's just go with, I just really want to do this because like the average tutorial, so I want to really do this hello world thing. So let's say hash include IO stream. Using namespace std. Just get those two things, okay, and go to main function, and that's it. That's all we need. Okay, so let's say cout. Cout is hello world. I feel like I should say something other than hello world. How about have a nice day world? It seems lamb. I mean, it's kind of crappy lamb. Let's just go ahead and just compile it. Okay, so let's compile one. Okay, save it. Oh yes, we have got a have a nice day world. Great guys, so we installed the tool today and tomorrow we're going to start the development in the next video. I'm not sure if it's going to be tomorrow, but let's just say tomorrow, okay? Have a good day. I hope this was helpful, and if you enjoyed, so give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe if you haven't already, and have a nice day guys. See ya.